Hey all, Alex with Tech Corner here to walk you through one of the new features in iOS 27 that will be coming out this fall. If you want to try this, you can try this on the developer or public beta. The only thing I would recommend is you try it on a device that you're not worried about having things go wrong or potentially having to go to the Apple Store to get them to fix it. Otherwise, if you don't want to if you're willing to wait, it's going to be coming out in the fall for those phones that support it. But one of the new features is being able to add custom passes like gym membership, Costco membership, concert tickets, anything that Apple does not support in their wallet app right now, you can add in there, which is really nice. So I've got this, I just got this, the Starbucks Reserve card. This is their Starbucks card. Of course, Starbucks does have their own thing that integrates with Apple Wallet, but just want to show you how to do it through here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the Wallet app. We're going to hit our little plus symbol. We're going to hit Create a Pass. And then the option you have is Continue or Create Pass manually. If you have AI enabled Siri Apple Intelligence, I would just go ahead and hit Continue. Otherwise, you will have to create the pass manually. So go ahead and click this. And there we go. And then of course from here you can either click Add or Edit. If you go to Edit, you have options to change the little icon here. You can change this to Starbucks. You can update that. You can also change the background color if you want. So if you want to go orange, give it a more vibrant kind of look, or which is kind of nice. And then the other option you do have is you can go and pick from your library if you want. Oh, okay, so they've got a few background libraries, so they have a few options. Not a whole lot. And this is one of the things I hope eventually maybe Apple will add in the next Apple Wallet, is where you can really go in and customize it. Because the thing is, if you have a lot of these can start all looking about the same, and that's going to make it very challenging for you to be able to quickly access the different pass you need, and not the wrong thing. But yeah, I would recommend doing a color coding so okay, all pink background stuff is going to be concert tickets. All if you have multiple gym memberships, or if you have like store related ones, you can make those a specific color, so at least you can kind of know by color what the category is, and that might make things easier. Another thing I also wish Apple would do is be able to add categories within the passes here, so you could actually have a category for tickets or entertainment, one for loyalty programs, maybe one for cards or something, or of course they have cards up above, but it'd be nice to have different categories, and then you can click on the category and then see those passes within that category. But that is how you can go about adding a pass to Apple Wallet. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.